When you place your order, you're mailed a dental impression kit. This kit contains putty, trays, and instructions to take your dental impression. When we receive your impression, we pour a dye stone mixture into the cast. This stone takes about 20 minutes to harden. From there, we remove the stone cast of your teeth from the impression. Then we use a dental trimmer to trim the stone cast, making sure we get a flat base and remove any excess stone. Then we prepare the model of your teeth, filling in and preparing any necessary areas to ensure a great fit. Now the stone mold of your teeth is ready for the Druformat scan. This computerized machine combines high heat and pressure to thermoform the night guard material over your stone cast. Once the mold is properly cooled, it's time to trim, shape, and polish your night guard. This step is very important because the fit needs to be perfect. We want your guard to fit like a glove, not too tight, not too loose. Your custom night guard should stay in place and feel comfortable in the mouth. To ensure this, we take it one step further and scallop the entire front of the guard, getting rid of unnecessary plastic between the teeth that can press on the teeth and cause irritation or discomfort. For the final step, we perform a stone mold check. We place the guard on the stone cast of your teeth and remove it from different points. We're checking here for any areas that are too tight, also closely looking for any edges that need to be smoothed further for ultimate comfort. Once we're satisfied with the final product, we clean your night guard, package it, and ship it to you. All of our night guards are BPA, phthalate, MMA, silicone, and latex free. We provide free adjustments in the event your guard isn't fitting properly. Our commitment to you is 100% satisfaction. We'll work hard to make sure we deliver a mouth guard that you love. That's the Sentinel guarantee. Okay, that was a behind the scenes look of our production process here at Sentinel Mouthguards. Thank you so much for watching.